Good morning, students. Today we are going to do back exercise and question answers of chapter 10, respiration in organisms. We'll start with MCQs. Which of the following is formed by the anaerobic respiration in muscles? We know that anaerobic respiration takes place in absence of oxygen. So in absence of oxygen, what forms in our body? We forms lactic acid, but in the presence of oxygen we form carbon dioxide, water, but in absence of oxygen we form lactic acid and energy. In fish, carbon dioxide is exhaled through. Fishes, they are aquatic animal, they live in water, so they take out the oxygen through the gills. Sac-like structures present in the human lungs are called. So we have a sac-like structures which are attached to the bronchioles. They are called as alveoli. Lenticles are present in the plants. So lenticles, they are present in the plants. Okay, they are not present in the insects, fishes or humans. They are present in the plants. Which gas turns the lime water milky? So a gas which turns the lime water milky is carbon dioxide. Okay, take lime water, just blow the air from the mouth. From the mouth, when we blow air, we get carbon dioxide. So it turns the lime water into milky white. Milky white means it changes as the color of the milk. So carbon dioxide changes the lime water into milky. Next, filling the blanks. Aerobic respiration occurs dash of oxygen. We know that aerobic respiration, they occur in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic respiration occurs in absence of oxygen. Yeast is an example of anaerobic respiration because these yeast undergoes anaerobic respiration and produces alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. The earthworm exchange the gases through. How the earthworm exchange the gases? They exchange the gases through the moist skin. Their skin, the skin is always moist, so they exchange the gases from them. Trachea branches into bronchi. Our trachea is the windpipe, which the other end of the trachea is connected with the two smaller pipes which are called as bronchi. Taking in of oxygen rich air into the body is called as. Taking in of oxygen is called inhalation, and taking out of carbon dioxide is called as exhalation. Next, true and false. During exercise, the breathing rate can increase up to 25. Yes, it's correct. When we do exercise, when we do running, the breathing rate increases to 25 times. In human, two lungs are present in the abdominal cavity. No, it is present in the chest cavity. During respiration, food is broken down to release energy. Yes, food is broken down to give energy. Roots of the plants do not respire. Roots of the plants, they also undergo respiration. If they don't respire, they are not living. They are non-living. So they have to respire. They take the air from the pores which are present in the soil. Aerobic respiration releases more energy as compared to anaerobic respiration. Yes, aerobic respiration, it gives more energy as compared to anaerobic respiration. Next, very short answers type question. Name the steps involved in the process of breathing. We have two steps involved in the process of breathing. Respiration. One is breathing and other one is cellular respiration. Name the kinds of respiration. We have two kinds of respiration, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Name two organisms in which exchange of gases occurs by diffusion from their body surface. It occurs only in unicellular organism called as amoeba and paramecium. Name two animals in which gills are the breathing organs. So gills are present in the aquatic animals, fishes, tadpoles. They contains gills. Tadpoles, they also contains gills. They breathe through the gills. What is pleura? Pleura, our lungs are protected in a layer called as pleura. What is alveoli? Alveoles are the sac-like structures which are present at the bronchioles where the exchange of gases takes place. These alveoles are attached to the blood capillaries. The blood take the oxygen from alveoli and return carbon dioxide to alveoli. What is the percentage of water inhaled in air and exhaled air? Percentage of oxygen it is. Okay, percentage of oxygen that is inhaled is 21% and the oxygen which comes out is 16.4%. Next, short answers. What is anaerobic respiration? Anaerobic respiration is a respiration which takes place in absence of oxygen. In absence of oxygen, we get, in the human beings, we get lactic acid plus energy, but in microorganisms, they give alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. Why does exhaled air make the lime water milky? Now only I have discussed exhaled air. The air which is coming out contains carbon dioxide. When this carbon dioxide is passed into the lime water, it changes the lime water into milky. Define the term breathing rate. Breathing. What is breathing? Inhalation and exhalation. The breathing rate is 1 complete inhalation and exhalation. The breathing rate of a human being per minute is 15 to 80 times. We breathe, one inhale and then exhale. So 15 to 18 times, but during exercise it increases to 25. What is the role of hairs present in the nose? We have hairs in the nose. Why? Because they protect, they prevent the dust particles to move inside our lungs. So hair does not allow the dust particles to get inside into our trachea and lungs. Next, differentiate between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is a respiration which takes place in presence of oxygen, okay, in the cells. So during the aerobic respiration, what is released? Glucose in presence of oxygen, they get broken down into carbon dioxide, water and energy. Whereas in anaerobic respiration, glucose broken down into alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. What is the mechanism of gaseous exchange in the humans? What is the mechanism? We have inhalation and exhalation. During the inhalation, what happens? Our chest cavity moves upward, okay, outward and upward. Whereas the diaphragm, which is present in below the lungs, moves downward. Okay, our chest moves upward and outward and diaphragm moves downward. Okay, air pressure inside our lungs get decreased. If air pressure decreases, then only the atmospheric pressure will increase. Okay, so similarly in the exhalation, our lungs will move inward, opposite of inhalation. It will move inward, okay, and little bit downwards. Whereas the diaphragm will come to the normal position. It will move little bit upward to the normal position. Chest will move back. Air pressure inside it will will decrease and the atmospheric pressure will increase. So you have to explain all the things in the mechanism of breathing. What is respiration? How it is different from breathing? See, breathing is the simplest form, taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. Whereas respiration is involved in the cells. In the cell, the glucose in presence of oxygen has to be broken down into carbon dioxide, water and energy. So this is the difference between respiration and breathing. I am taking in oxygen, giving out carbon dioxide. This is breathing. Okay, now I am doing the work. I'm writing on the board. I am standing, so I require energy. So this energy is produced by the respiration. Okay, breathing is an external process, whereas respiration is an internal process. In breathing, no cells are involved, but in the respiration, the cells are involved. So you can write the difference in this way. So this is the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Now answer in one word. How many lungs are present in the humans? We have 2 lungs, one pair of lungs, or one pair or 2 lungs. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of which gas? Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen. What is the breathing rate of the average human being at rest? Our breathing rate at rest, I am at rest. My breathing rate should be 15 to 18 times per minute. Which muscular structure is present below the lungs? We have a muscular structure that gives the support to the lung, that is called as diaphragm. Name one organisms which breathe through the skin. We have many organisms like earthworms, leeches, okay, frogs. They have moist skin, so they breathe through the skin. Which structure in the buccal cavity in the human prevents the swallowed food from entering into trachea? Okay, food. We have one wall, okay, larynx, that prevents the food to enter into the trachea. Why should we avoid to sleep under the tree at the night? We should not sleep under the white tree because in the night time the reverse process of respiration takes place in plants. They take oxygen and they give out carbon dioxide. During the daytime they take carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, so that is good for us. But during the night the process becomes reverse. They take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. If we sleep below under the tree during the night, the oxygen content level will become more. Why breathing is called as external respiration? Breathing is called as external respiration because only inhalation of oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. No cells are involved in this, so we call them as external respiration. So today we have discussed the back exercise and the patients of chapter 10, respiration in organism. Thank you.